I'm going to make paella. Hello, this is how to make paella with a wood fire. This recipe will include chicken drumsticks. They will be deboned first. Slice around the part at the bone-only end. This is so that the meat can be scraped out to the opposite end. Also, cut the meat along the length of the bone. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. This recipe will also include scallops, prawns and mussels. The skin and bone from the chicken will also be added into the pan, but they will be removed after cooking. 3 chicken drumsticks are used. Scrape the meat off the bone with the back of the knife, so that the meat comes off in a whole piece. Bend the bone down while pushing on the meat, and cut parts which are attached to the bone. Fun facts: paella means pan in Spanish. Usually saffron, or turmeric, will be added into the pan. But this recipe will not use those, because they will cause stains and your kitchen will need to be thrown away. Trim off any bony or hard parts that are left on the meat. Chicken drumsticks have some sinew. Hold on tight to one end, to scrape them off the meat. Throw these away. Without saffron or turmeric, the paella will not have as much color. However, the taste will be the same. There will also be some color and taste from the sakura. This is the toasted part of the rice at the bottom of the pan. The pan that will be used is an enamel-coated 30 cm pan. The paella is enough for 4 persons, with 2 cups of rice. A wood fire will be used because the pan is not flat enough for an induction stove. The fire should be built with heat around the edges of the pan. Usually the center of the pan is the part that will be the hottest, so it will be better to spread out the heat. Here, beef tallow is used. That is the fat that has been cooked off parts of beef. Prawns with shells still on, are added. The shells will be removed later after cooking. The total cooking time should be about 30 to 45 minutes. The other ingredients are added later, because they are already cooked or take only a short time to cook. The fire can be hotter at the beginning, when the meat is being cooked. However, it needs to be less hot when the rice is added and is cooking. This is so that the rice does not get too burned. Boiling water is added. This may need to be done a few times, depending on the condition of the rice. Here, beef stock is being added. This is taken from cooking beef earlier. The rice is added. It has been washed first. This is so that there isn't rice powder inside that will make the rice too sticky. Often, the pan is not covered, but a cover is used here. Along the way, the rice has been mixed and the bottom has been scraped, to avoid burning. At the end, the rice at the bottom will be left there to get toasted. The last ingredients are added when the rice is almost cooked. Then it be done.